For Timothy,
Paul had a message to reach Jesus and Him crucified. That's what I saw the day that I found Him. He was lifted on high. No knowledge or wealth did I have to offer, nothing but a sin-sick soul. I just knew I was lost and He was the answer, so I knew enough to get home. I know my Redeemer living, for He is living in me. I feel His sweet Holy Spirit as we His children agree that He died for sin and He rose again, and He's coming to claim His own. I may not know much by this world's standards, but I know enough to get home.
the mind of man is greater than ever. He rests in the knowledge he gained, but somewhere in time he finds it's for nothing. All his work is in vain. Without the cross, there's no happy ending, no hope to travel along. There's a trail of blood, straight and narrow. It's the road that leads us home. I
know my Redeemer living, for He is living in me. I feel His sweet Holy Spirit as we His children agree that He died for sin and He rose again, and He's coming to claim His own. I may not know much by this world's